Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scroll down here. So then you click here on apps. Then here in here you're looking for Pinterest app. You just click on search. Add here Pinterest app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on full stop, click on OK. You're scrolling down here, just click here on storage. So then you click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store here. In here you're looking for Pinterest app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.